this is coming as, in fact, left a lot of students in a bind who are planning to go abroad for further studies. The cost of flight tickets between India and UK has become a major cause of concern now. One-way economy fares are touching 4 lakh rupees at this point in time. That's even higher than the premium business and first class tickets. In fact, most airlines like Air India, British Airways, United Airlines, Emirates are all charging anywhere between 1 and 4 lakh rupees for a one-way ticket to the United Kingdom. Flight prices have in fact skyrocketed after UK relaxed restrictions it had imposed on travellers from India amid the second COVID wave. Those are the details here at this point in time. So there are a few reasons as to why we are seeing this rise in airfares at this point in time. First off, there's pent-up demand for travel, admission season for students. So this is typically the time where students who have gotten admission abroad to the UK will start leaving now. Limited quota of flights. Flights itself are not back to their normal capacity at this point in time. So there are fewer flights, and of course UK has eased the travel curbs as far as Indian travellers are concerned. So these are a combination of reasons as to why such, this is the kind of flight ticket costs that we are seeing at this point in time. So across the board, all airlines seem to be showing extremely high ticket costs, and this is just a one-way economy class ticket that we're talking about. United Airlines, for example, 4.3 lakh, Air India 2 lakh, British Airways also 2.05 lakh. Let me in fact go across to Ayushman for more details here. Ayushman, these flight tickets are exorbitant to say the least, and obviously it's going to put a lot of pressure and make things extremely difficult for those who have to travel to the UK.
Yes, in fact, the matter came to light when we got the senior IAS officer, Sanjeev Gupta, posted this on one airline screenshot where the inflated airfares were mentioned, and which Air India clearly said that there was some problem perhaps which was there, and they'll be getting back. We also spoke to the civil aviation authorities, who said that they have sought the response from the officials of the airlines, private airlines, where the exorbitant fee was being shown from New Delhi to London. Somewhere about 4 lakh rupees was the price, and even there was 1.4 lakh was also the bracket which was being shown. But still, the government authorities feel that a clarification has to come from the private airline side as to how this price hike is taking place, because most of these tickets which are being reserved is from the student side, the students who are to go to read their own scholarship. So why the exorbitant amount is being charged is something that the authorities have sought a response from the private airlines. And for now, there has been no clear answers as to why these airfares are being shown at an inflated rate on the websites as well as on the third-party booking sites.